Welcome to Misty's Pleasures of Life, where joy's in the air. High fruity recipes, love's everywhere. Savor the flavors, let worries unwind. In every small moment, true peace you will find.
Hi, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and good home cooking and all the simple fun things in between. I gotta check my mic, make sure it's working. All right, y'all. Welcome to a day in my life. That's what this is going to be. A day in my life of showing you what I'm doing today. And you know, unless I look at the calendar, I don't know what today is. I forgot. But anyway, let's get started with our day. There's going to be a lot of different things you're going to see. Not the full things because, well, maybe. We'll see, y'all. But welcome back. If you end up liking this video, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Comment. Y'all know I love to talk to you and interact with you. And share. Share, y'all. All right, let's get started. I've already done some things, but let's go ahead and get started with the rest of our day, y'all. All right, Artie, I gotta shake out this rug. Artie! I gotta shake out the rug, honey. Come on. Come on, Artie. Get up, baby. Come on. Come on, get up. Move, Cheerios. Move, Cheerios. Italian chicken and vegetables. This is so flavorful. Well, I would quit doing so many videos every single day that are just because you're not giving a recipe or anything. And then if you do too many videos like that in a day, some people will unsubscribe because they don't want to be spammed, or they feel like it's spam.
until we face the skyline. Oh, don't hold it back. Just watch me as I go. I'm breaking these chains, and releasing all of us. Open the sky. It's in your hands. Remember the secrets, and your soul will mend. We are magical, so magical. Our waiting goal, and we will never grow old. And we will never grow old. And we will never grow old.
Posting all my food pictures.
Ori, I can't. God.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. When shadows and gloom are all that you see, we'll find
first time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. Nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Oh, I'm so short. I can't reach it. The struggles of a short woman.
Do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
I'm in my zone, can't fail. Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt.